Welcome to our van tour.
Hey YouTube! Hi guys! We are finally making our van tour video and we are super excited to show you guys what's inside and what we've been living out of for the past little while.
If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that. Oh, and comment.
Come take a look inside the van with us if you want to see what's going on.
Alright, so this is our water tank. It's 5-gallon water storage that happens to fit perfectly right next to the bed frame. Fill up all our water here, and it's very convenient. We could even do it while the van is closed. The blackout curtains are here. I love these. They're magnetic, and my mom hand sew them
Sewed.
so we can have our privacy, and if there's lights out, they don't get in my eyes. So we have these drawers that are built on skateboard bearings. We got these cool latches that my dad made, and so they automatically lock when they get pushed in, and then you just pull this open.
Hi guys! So we're at the inside of the van now, and right upon entry we have a few pieces of furniture lined up that is really our only space for it. So we have our nice laundry hamper here, and sometimes when we're like parked at a campsite we just bring it to the outside so there's even more space and it's just there. Right behind this curtain is this organization unit that just attaches to the back of this chair. We have all of our masks here, some sunscreen, bug spray, some extra sponges for washing dishes, and then all of our camera equipment goes in here. We have the microphone, the tripod goes in there, and then the DJI camera. It's nice and compact, so we can just put it in this pocket here. Right underneath this, we have our cleaning products here. So we have some Windex and a multi-purpose cleaner just to clean up inside the van and the windows. So right here we just have our 2 drawers that have kind of like household items here. So we have our vitamins, some baby wipes, trash bags, that kind of stuff. And then in this bottom one, we have our kitchen stuff. So we have bowls, this is our butane stove top, and then some cutlery over here. Cutting boards go here, all of our books and journals. Always have a bag of Jules and Watts beans on hand.
Love it, Max.
And we keep our hair ties and our hair clips in here. Right over here is our cooler. So we don't have a refrigerator in the van, so we keep a lot of food in here that we want to kind of stay fresh as best we can. So usually we just have tomatoes and some dates and lots of Cliff Bars. So that just slides into this little crevice there and fits perfectly. It's also a nice stool to sit on when we're cooking over here. It's really durable, so we can just sit on it like a stool. Here's our trash can, which looks like it's just magically floating there, but it's actually attached to the driver's seat with the same system as this one. But we just cut a hole in the curtain so we have access to it at all times. Right over here is the kitchen area. So we have this really nice countertop space that Nietzsche's dad installed in the van, which is actually on a hinge. I can show you that now. So this whole thing just flips up and we can get our pots and pans, our shower caddies here. And so this is just a really nice storage space to utilize that. So up here you can see we have these little hammocks to put fruit and vegetables in, which is really handy to keep it off the space and up in the air. Here's our spice rack, which is nice as well to have a designated area for all of our spices to be, so we always know where they are. Oh, my toast. Up here is our knife rack. It's magnetic. Really strong magnet. All of these just stick right on. Here is our lovely ceiling vent. Which sucks hot air up and out into the van. Works really well. Just want to point out it's 110 degrees in Arizona and we are the only ones crazy enough to film a full-on van tour in this weather. Right on this side of the bed here, these white top containers are all of our dry food. So we have pasta, rice, oats, quinoa. So they're really nicely stored here, perfectly fit. Got some olive oil there, really durable, and they're just a suction cup top. This is my side of the bed, so I keep this little basket here as kind of like a night end table, like a nightstand. Just like lotion, hair ties, chapstick, a candle, stuff like that. This is also really nice for being on my side of the bed. I get the fans. So these are just 4 computer fans installed in the window that Nishi and his dad put in a while ago, and it makes a really big difference. Back behind here, we've got 2 of these. These are just our chairs that have back support, which is nice. We edit videos using these, journal in the morning, just kind of read, hang out. These are really nice to have. They're from REI. We have 2 of them that match, and we love them. I have my comb and my hair towel here hanging. This is our reading light from IKEA. So that's about it on this side of the van. Let's hop over to that side of the van now.
Welcome to my side of the van. Here we got our little micro USB fan that swivels 360. It lasts a long time and keeps us cool, except for right now because it's so hot. It'll just blow hot air at you, but you know, some stimulation is better than none. Got our coffee, tea, got a flashlight, always handy, scale for coffee, more coffee stuff, grinder, some tools, some clips to clip things on. We got this clothesline. It's nice and handy to just hang clothes here and have them dry while we're driving or while we're hanging out. Got this nice little collapsible lantern that is solar powered, Goal Zero. Got yoga mats in here, just in case we're trying to get in our flow. Have our favorite massage gun. This little baby is so great. We use this almost every day. Nice little massage that you could give yourself or your partner. And it's super quiet. We love that shot. And we got a few things, like there's a net that we have that we could set up for the side door. It's Velcro, and it has magnets in the middle. So when you walk in and out, it'll close right behind you, as long as you set it up right. We got our toothbrush stuff. So it's a little doohickey that takes our toothbrushes, keeps them out of the way. They don't get all crusty and musty. And now everybody's favorite part, the back end. We got a few of these wooden storage containers from IKEA. Nice and cheap. Fits a bunch of our stuff like toilet paper, fuel, butane, propane. We have a separate mosquito net for the back. We got some collapsible buckets. Open up, fill with our gray tank. This is questionable water. Just means that we don't necessarily drink it, but it's usually good enough. We fill at spots just wherever there's a faucet, basically. We can wash our dishes, get it all clean. We have one for washing, one for rinsing. And in the back we have some more, a shower tent and a drying rack. Got a little box from Target. Got a blanket, always nice. Yoga blocks and charging for our extra battery. That used to be our main battery. So we did the electric. So we have kitty litter and shoes and stuff. Pretty much just storage for things that we need occasionally.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We hope you liked this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to our channel, Nietzsche
Yes.
and Gray.